To configure a SCCM backup, go to Administration, Site Configuration, select your site, then go to top right side of your corner and go to Site Maintenance. The first option you will see, which is Backup Site Server, which is enabled as no. After clicking it, the first thing you need to enable this task, and you need to click on Set Path, and you need to give the location where you want to keep your backup. It can be a local drive or a network path. The best practice is to go with the network path. Click OK. Now in the schedule, I want to schedule it for Monday to Sunday between 2 to 5 a.m. So I've selected my schedule and click on apply and OK. Once you click on apply OK, you can see that your backup site server is enabled to yes. Now automatically the backup will happen at 2 o'clock in the night. But just in case if you want to take a backup manually, go to services.msc, run it as an administrator, and look for a service which is SMS_site_backup. It will not be in a running state. So you just need to right click this service and hit start. Once the service is in running state, automatically the backup will start. To track the backup, you can go to your logs folder. And you need to look for SMS BKUP backup, SMS backup folder. Just open it and you can see after starting the services, the backup is happening. And you can see what exactly is happening on the background, which folders are getting created. So if you see, the state message is 500 and I can see my backup location as well. I can see few warnings as well, but I can ignore those until I have a major error. So I'll wait for a few minutes until my backup is completed. It took around 10 minutes, but my backup is successfully completed. And I can see the SMS_site backup services again is in stop state. I'll just go to my source file just to see if I can see the backup files. Yes, these are my backup files, and just in case if you ever need to use the backup for SCCM. Now you don't need to check the logs every day. You can go to monitoring system status and go to component status, and in the search node just search backup. So every day you should be able to see the messages related to if your backup is successful or completed with any warnings or errors. I can see it's completed with a green mark, so look like it's all good. I'll just open one of the message and I can see my backup is successful completed with few warnings which I can ignore. So this is how we take a backup in SCCM.